understand by and by. Just move on up toward your destination. Though you may find from time to time.
I was joking with Doug Stevens a few weeks ago that he and the Bay of Quinte Marketing Board are the cause of the housing crisis in Quinte area, because they've promoted the Bay of Quinte so much and done so well, but we have a great community here. I'd like to point out table 25, and that is the Team Tim McKinney table, and the 25 is taken down because one of my associates, it's her 25th anniversary. So we all signed the 25 number. Good evening, everyone. I'm truly honored to accept the Entrepreneur of the Award for the Quinte region. This award represents not only my efforts, but the support of a vibrant community that believes in the power of innovation and collaboration. Our audience tonight is filled with individuals who are making our community one of the best in Ontario, and it's an absolute honor to be recognized. I'd like to take a moment to thank my wife, Judy, for supporting me throughout my 35 years in real estate, not 25. I'm a little older than you thought. And all my other adventures, including the Loft on St. Paul, local social house, the Ashley Motel, the Kita, and soon to be opened, the Landing. Judy's been very supportive in all my crazy ideas and has turned down a couple of them, thank goodness. I also want to extend my heartfelt thanks to my incredible team. Our star-studded lineup of licensed realtors is Sarah Dean, Ali Haynes, Jillian Saprika, and soon to be licensed Amanda Smith, and our social media genius, Courtney Jenneru. You have all made me look good, and I'm grateful for your hard work. I should also thank my brother, Sean McKinney, who is broker owner of Remax Quinte. I'd like to acknowledge all of our partners, including the Bay of Quinte, QEDC, BDC, Trendval, Wilkinson, and many others. This community is truly remarkable, and we love to give back to these organizations, as Derek had mentioned. I have several business partners in some of my ventures, so I don't want to leave them out. The local social includes some friends. I'm hoping they're still friends after 4 years of being in the restaurant business. Has anyone watched The Bear? Had I seen that before I bought the local? I don't know that it would be open today. Congratulations to my fellow nominees and all the award winners. Thanks a lot.